Tara at pag-usapan natin ang DepEd Order number 36 Series of 2016. Para sa mga magulang at mag-aaral na nagtatanong, ito po ang magiging guide ninyo para malaman kung ang inyong mga anak o ang mga batang nag-aaral ay qualified ba na makakamit ng karangalan. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag mong kalimutan i-subscribe at i-follow ang aking account, Gurong Gala. At ito nga po yung nilalaman ng DepEd Order number 36 Series of 2016, Policy Guidelines on Awards and Recognition for the K-12 Basic Education Program. Ito pong memo na to ay inilabas pa noong June 7, 2016. At ito nga po yung sinasabi dito sa may DepEd Order. Number 1, in line with the implementation of Republic Act number 10533, otherwise known as Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, K-12 Law, the Department of Education is adopting the enclosed policy guidelines on awards and recognition for the K-12 Basic Education Program. Number 2, these awards have been designed to formally recognize the outstanding performance and achievement of learners